So, video 4, module 10. The last 3 videos we saw would have, etc. Now, in the next video, this video, I want to give you an introduction to could and could have. All right, let's go. When we use the word could, the first basic idea is about future possibilities. We could go to the beach. I could help you. Things that are possible sort of now and in the future. I could do it. I could whatever, right? So future is, or now is we could go today, right? Past possibilities is using could have. We could have gone yesterday. So this is very similar to would and would have, the same idea, right? What's the magic word? Have. Could have. Because if we have now in the future, I could go now, I could buy a new computer, I could whatever. To make this idea into the past, you need the word have. I could have gone. And this is crucial. If you want to express the idea about a past possibility and you forget the word have, the other person will be confused. If you say, I could send it, when what you really mean is in a past moment, past possibility, I could have sent it, but you say, I could send it, the other person understands you are talking about now or the future. What's the magic word? Have. Have is a magic word that makes this sentence into the past. Now, after have, you need the verb in the correct past participle, not the normal verb. But have is the magic word. The past is the past. We cannot change it. We use could have to talk about, imagine different possibilities in the past. So let's get an example. Your friends ask you, Terry, would you like to go to the beach with us today? And I say, oh yeah, I would love to go to the beach. That would just be so amazing. But no, I have to stay at home and wait for someone to fix the shower. Imagine I call someone and I'm calling all the time, please come, and they finally say yes, I will come today to fix the shower. And I'm saying to my friends, no, not going to the beach, I have to stay at home. Maybe this is a familiar situation. You waited all day, but the person to fix the shower never arrived. Familiar? Yeah, maybe, yeah. And you feel frustrated and you think about different possibilities in the past. You think about that, you lose a day, you think, oh, I could have gone to the beach with my friends. So the past is the past. I did not go to the beach, but I stop and think that guy did not come and I waited and now I could have gone to the beach with my friends, but I didn't. So this is the idea. This is the basic concept. Now, the essential parts to this kind of sentence, this conditional is I, you, we, they, he, she, could. What's the magic word? Do you know it? Do you? Have. I could have, and the past participle. Now remember, if you do not have in the sentence, you just put could, you will confuse the other person. It's so important. All right? So that's the end of this basic introduction of could and could have. Watch it again if necessary. And join me in the next video when I'm going to start showing you how to use could have, and coulda. See you there.